This is Made for More Living with Johnny Jennings, powered by eXp Realty. Online at madeformoreliving.com.
Those three numbers that can influence your life, they can determine whether or not you get a good interest rate. They can determine whether or not you can buy a home. We're talking about credit repair. Gerard, what is the difference between credit repair and debt negotiation?
Well, credit repair is getting something removed off of your credit report. That will actually make a quantifiable change in your score.
Okay.
Get something removed, score changes right there with it. Debt negotiation and debt consolidation is, like we mentioned, kind of the cousin of it, but it's not the same. Mm-hmm. Because what ends up happening is I find people that say, hey, I'm working with a company right now and I'm paying them $500-$600 a month. And at the end of 6 months, what they did was they negotiated all of my debt for my credit card companies and loans, etc. And now I'm paying, instead of $20,000, they negotiated to $10,000. But I'm paying them $500-$600 a month. Well, that's not credit repair. If anything, that's going the opposite way.
Because they told them not to make those payments for a period of time.
Exactly.
So that way they could negotiate.
Yeah, that's the thing that people don't realize, is that the credit card companies, they will not work with you if you're current. If you're current but you're maxed out, they're like, nope, we're going to wait till you get defaulted, and we're going to wait 4 to 5 months before we work with you.
So is that one of the reasons why it takes so long for sometimes these credit repair companies to see an improvement? Because you got to wait that 3 to 6 months before you can even negotiate? Yeah. Is that why?
That's part of the reason why, because you can't, we can't do anything about that. We can't get this. If you owe $10,000 on your credit card, I can't get that removed just because we want it gone.
Because you're current and you don't want it there anymore.
Right. Now, it's different when it goes to a collection and when it goes to a charge off, those items, then we can get that item removed from that standpoint, mm-hmm. but it still may take a minute. What ends up happening is I tell people, you know what, there are companies, legitimate companies out here that are local that work with you with doing that, because that can take some time, and that's fine. I say, if you want, go for them. But there's other things that you can do yourself. You can actually, if you've determined that, hey, I'm not going to make this payment, I'm just not going to make this payment. If you don't make that payment, they're going to call you and end up negotiating with you. You don't have to pay that $400 or $500 a month. I mean, it's a plan if you want someone else to do it for you. That's just not what my company focuses on. We focus on, once things get to the point to hitting the credit report, getting them deleted from there. We don't really try to take on too much of the actual debt itself. Mm-hmm. We focus on what's getting on the report and those deletions.
Got it. And so what's the main difference? You're using the word deletions. Like, what is getting deleted? Like, how is that helping people's credit scores?
So again, we talked about this in one of the first segments. Collection hits, you get 40 points. Once that credit card or that loan company sends you to a collection, first you get the late payment. That's going to hit you quite a bit. Then they send it to collections. Once that hits on your credit report, that's where we come in.
Okay,
we challenge the validity of it.
So they're calling 911 at this point.
They're pretty much doing that, and we're going to do the best that we can to make that fire go out. There's a lot of techniques that we have, all ethical, all legal, all to make sure that they're reporting correctly.
Like you even shared or in previous months, because we've been working together for a while now, about how you can even get debt removed from people's credit cards. Is that common, or is that not common?
It all depends. That's almost even a whole different segment itself,
sure.
Because there's a lot of parts and pieces with that, where we've seen credit card companies actually reporting wrong debt on there, adding more interest on there. The bureaus say the way the laws are stated is it has to be for the actual debt itself. They can't start adding different interest rates and then start adding this. I've seen where they've combined where one company has combined 2 credit cards into one. And then by doing that, it's actually in violation of certain laws.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I mean, you know all the laws, and you can help people get that credit score up.
Yeah.
So my name is Johnny Jennings with the Made for More Living podcast, and today we have Gerard Brazil with Paradigm Credit Repair. If you're interested,
you almost wanted to say Gerard Butler.
I did. You heard that, didn't you? Gerard Brazil with ParadigmCreditRepair.com. So if you want to learn more and you want to reach out to him and his amazing team, just go to ParadigmCreditRepair.com. So any last words, Gerard?
You know what? We've been doing this for a long time, and we have a lot of 5-star Google reviews. Go take a look at those. I mean, and they're not paid. People go, oh, what reviews anyway? Okay. These aren't paid. People will actually, you'll see, have used my name personally in these reviews. Does it mean something? It does to me. You know,
and to the people you helped.
And to the people we help.
Yep. So if you want a lower interest rate, if you want to get a better auto rate, if you want to move into a home, and the only thing standing in your way is that dang credit score, reach out to Gerard Brazil at ParadigmCreditRepair.com. My name's Johnny Jennings. Thank you so much for being on today.
Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.